It's Friday. It's Friday.
He's not happy because we gotta work. Yeah,
It's like, hold on. It's 11:35 on Friday.
Let's get it done. What do you say?
Yeah, we don't really have a choice, you know?
Yep, gotta be millionaires one day, and today is the day that we gotta keep pushing.
Done.
Let's get it.
This is unreal. Oh my god, another one right there. Dude, this is unreal. Look, both of us took the L right here. Oh, no, you still can't give me that hose. Yeah,
Oh, dude, that dog took a fat shit.
I'm gonna need you to spray mine off.
Oh, I got some gooey ooeyes on this one too.
Stinks, yo. That stinks. Look, well, this is how I had spotted the culprit.
You want me to hose this stuff off?
Yes, please get that off.
Step in more shit.
Oh, let me get the camera on that.
Look at that. Oh, that
That's
shit.
disgusting. It stinks so bad. Gotta hose your girl. She be smelling like shit.
All right, where's the other one?
Oh, dude.
Should I step in both of them?
Yeah, this one's worse than the other.
With the leaf stuck to it.
Dude.
That's sick on my...
This is sick. We got you guys the first person view now. Oh. Got it. Might still have to pop this one out down here. Okay. And then it should come right down.
Yeah, so you tell them what we're doing?
Oh yeah, they know.
We're figuring it out.
Yeah, pretty much, because YouTube doesn't really cut it.
Yeah. Literally, YouTube sucks. That's why we gotta make better stuff. Let me hold this thing so it doesn't catty-womp in my face. I think we're tightening with some wires too. Yeah.
There we go. Should drop.
Take those tin snips and cut that wire up there.
Going up, boys.
Cutter free, brother. Cutter
Oh,
free.
this wire right here?
Yeah. Now that wire right there that's sticking off that pole. Cut that one. Fuck. That thing must be fucking live from that box right there.
Did you just get shot?
Yeah. What the fuck?
There, she's off. There.
Okay. This is a fucking long ass.
Figure it out. Look at this fucking guy. What's he do? Oh. Timber.
What do you want me to do? Oh man, this is great. Why don't you get up and show the damage?
All right, here,
right
take these. All right.
That's what happens when a tree hits your stuff, and you get some handymen to work on.
Some handyman. Yeah, well, you can see this. I don't know how good you can see it because it'll go ho. Yeah. Particle board toast. That's cheap. That's what that is. Gonna pop this guy off and guess go from there.
Yeah, we'll cut them off first, so that way we'll have access to pulling the siding pieces off, and then we'll, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, we'll get it done.
We'll be there shortly.
Okay, yeah, it's a pretty simple thing, I think. But once we get it on, Arthur can help us get it inside, and then it should be fine.
Would you not just be able to pop it out with that one siding tool?
Nah, because I gotta create that spot for that thing to.
Oh.
I mean, you know, it cuts like butter. You just gotta get it there.
Yeah, he's getting it done. Yeah, we do siding.
This is miserable. People who do siding must really not enjoy their lives.
Watch that wire. Nice catch.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what's in your teeth.
Oh.
Yeah, in your teeth. Your teeth are disgusting.
Should probably start flossing if that's the case.
That's what I was telling you. Okay, now so you know where the top piece is? The top. Damn! We just straight got wrapped into. Look at this. Smoked. Fucking axle.